There is big Saguna looking very khatarnak. Today, the story of Saguna Putro Dimbra. And now the big Saguna going to make Sansar. The area is looking very sundar and the Lukavaka is coming and going. And now, time to darshan of little Dimbri. The little Dimbri is very gala for dad and mom. Oh, nuku, 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 nuku. Oh, nuku, 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 nuku. After some time, the little Dimbri became big Dimbra. And the Dimbra is trying to pod, but not Sambhav. Because the Dimbra is not eligible for pod in Akash. And now the Dimbra is very alone. Because the Papa Mama